We got drawings!
Broke the back. Fucking hell. Brand new too. Oh, you can turn it. Alright, good job. Not a fucking kick on our boys. I have 2 jobs going out next week.
Good morning, lads. Monday morning, the 9th of February. We got drawings. He sent them to me about 11 o'clock last night, so he did. Fair play to him. All looks good as well. I'm gonna get these sent off. There isn't really much that'll change on them. I gotta start building the bare bones up, as they would say.
Lads, we're in. Over here. Well, lad, good job.
What do you think?
That's a crack, lad.
No, man. You getting there?
Right. Fucking just about tired. Going. See, when I'm going to get you actually, lad, to go to Tim, go to uniform Tim.
Right.
Left the box. There's a couple of box of handles to lift. They're already there. And then I might get you to go along after that because there's a door left at Anthony's house.
Right.
So there is.
Get on.
But
I'll scoot off there now.
I don't think they open 8:30.
Or not open half it.
Aye. Drones all in there last night, so we're all good to go.
For,
All that shit.
is that, what is it, kitchens or?
Schools, aye. No, schools, aye.
Okay.
Like, fuck, I'm going to get him to break it down when you're away. At least it sucked it, did it not? Sucked it up.
Fucking run over 4 or 5 times. You see, you put your hand out there next to the fucking suction off. Is any of them doers that used to work upstairs work?
Aye, the festival one works, I know that.
It works.
I got drones in for all them schools.
So you can start breaking them down.
We start breaking them down and get them on the floor, send them over for approval. Not really much to approve on them, but they don't change from spec to spec really, but they still need to see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have another school.
You do?
You may as well do all the one time. Oh, fucking needles.
Just right now, I am. Your mom.
Just going to tell you, go back up. I was going to set her down and then move the toes and then shift her, you know.
Some marks? Yes. I get it. Hey, leave that bike.
Every runner just seems like the first sheet that's just chipping too much. Like, no, she was chipping this one here because I started fucking aging on around, you know, some things or whatever because it was chipping.
Right, lads. So that is all the stuff more or less ordered for them. Schools, bar from some things we're a wee bit unsure about the colours, but the general layout much the same. All the tracks, everything like that, all done sort of hinges, handles, basic sheet material. Any more reply actually. Okay. Oh my god, internet. Woohoo!
2 centres for each markings and then 2 centres for thing. Is it both of them?
Aye, because we're changing the sink unit to 1200.
Oh, right. So there's 4 then.
4 stand rooms in total, yes.
Yeah. And this here's a sand room.
Yeah.
2 of them's 1,000. So there's 4.
Yeah, yeah.
That's alright.
Well, lads, that is Monday done and dusted. Bit of a boring day. Had to just order a heap of materials, break down the hair station so it could get me final quantities. Schools are underway, thank God. Got drawings sent across. They just need to okay some of the colours, but with the general setup in order. We're moving anyway, do you know what I mean? Like, we're getting progress done and get on the ball with some other stuff. Get more on the door. We're confirming jobs left, right and centre there in January. I know it's only started, but it's weird because then when you step into a week where you're getting no confirmations, it's sort of makes you think. But anyway, lads, I'm probably going to put this video in along with tomorrow's just to sort of make it seem a wee bit better. But I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, lads. I want to go a wee bit earlier this morning. I'm dying for a wee coffee, boys, to be brutally honest with you. Let's get a wee coffee. Oh, I forgot my magnet. I got it, lads. I got the magnet. It's a part of the toolkit. Do you know what I mean? But we're here now anyway. I honestly think there's wild smell in this van every now and again, and I think it's coffee. I think coffee's doing it. I haven't had a coffee in this van in a while. Forma. Yes, lad. This box here, all CPC stuff. Where do you see the price of some of this stuff? Where's my fucking knife? Let's see what goodies I've got. Hinge plates. We always use Blum for everything, so we don't bother veering away because Blum's the best. Lifetime warranty comes with them, and they're not that expensive. But I know a lot of people don't like them hinge plates. They like the other ones where you actually have to unscrew the thing and it moves up and down. I far rather them. I don't know why. And obviously 107 soft close, as always. Standard practice. Any quantities, let's make sure they send me everything. That's feet. Oh no. 500. 12, 500. The door and some handle for a job. A nice board. That's for HOA. These 450s, 400s, yes. There runners and handles or something there. I woke up at 5 o'clock. I woke up at 5 o'clock.
I was way here this morning too. You couldn't all the time. I just go to a big documentary one then or something.
Aye, but fuck it. I try and record as much as I can and try and get 10 good minutes out of the day. You know, it'll all be short wee segments like.
Aye, do you know this one here? You know the big pillars, and then the pillars is on behind on the right hand side.
Mm.
Does the bulkhead still come out to the front? Has to come out to the front. To catch the doors.
Nah, yeah. It's 15, and there's 15 in that. So 30. I need another 4. Right down there. Oh. I think these are all 450s. I'd say there's 15 on here, 1 there, so there's 16. Yeah. 450s, 400s, 34. Haha, 4 missing. Not unless they're in here. Aye, they are. Yep. That's all. Must be fixed. Handles. Put them. Told you lads that would get the proper size legs. Nice. And then a couple of handles to match them. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Setting stuff back. Going on some more.
Because ordered 50 in total, you see.
Have you seen the 3 of them? I don't know if they're on an off time or just come on out of the road. I don't know if there's big cleaning in around that because I sprayed a paint of oil or whatever on it, but no oil. But sometimes you'll notice fucking wee bits of stuff. The sawdust and oil on them falling off in the seeds like. So that's the seeds fucking, but it's still alright for oil then.
0 between me. Huh?
Nope, that.
Huh?
Broke the back.
Fucking hell. Brand new too. Fuck me, how you snapped it.
Oh, lead on. Stayed 6 mil.
Fuck me. What's it to do with it? temperature do you think?
Older than Murray or not? Oh no, fuck
No. For the first cut of it, no. No way. But I wonder, is it something to do with the temperature? No. Try an order, but try one out of that new batch that came. Try one out of that new batch that came. You want a hand? Lovely. I ordered 180 degree hinges. Would they need it for anywhere? No. How about what's alright? It's alright. Well, I've ordered anyway, just spare ones there if you ever need them. Oh. Stick. Maybe they have doggy bones on here. It's just one thing I worry about. What are they going to be like? I don't know doggy bones. It's an easy mistake. We need to get a checklist.
Looks like a fucking arm, eh?
I don't know.
Doesn't it look like aluminium inside? Doesn't look like steel.
Well, there's one way to find out. That's magnet. There's a light kept coming on in front, and I kept turning it off. Is that my tape? Of course it is. Probably not even a kick in her. Not even turning. She's not turning with no battery on her. Fuck's sake. Alright, good job. Not a fucking kick in her, boys. This is when things get hectic because I need to do stuff out the floor. The amount of materials we have coming in, it's a bit of a nightmare because I need to ensure that the materials actually came in. And boys don't know, the delivery docket's only matching to what was delivered, not to what I ordered, so I go out and check the stuff, make sure it's right. And I've got stuff I need to get back to in terms of pricing. Them boys need to ask me questions about stuff on the floor. We've got a ball of stuff coming in. No van. We've got a big box fan. I had to go back to get fixed. They've had it for 2.5 weeks now at least. Maybe 3. Told them to be back last week, still not here. I've got a kitchen going tomorrow. There is a van out there. Battery's dead, as you well seen. I could use it because it's not a big kitchen, but I need that big box van back for next week. I have 2 jobs going out next week. So, Mickey, I haven't forgot about you, and I know you're watching these videos, but I am going to get your couple jobs priced there. I need to ring O&S too because I need to see where the lengths and stuff are. O&S doors. 100 high unit, and then a 152 kick at the bottom, is that right?
Yes, that's it.
Right, okay.
Our ceiling is 2550. They want it in nice and neat. So I says they wanted the highest door. They didn't want any wee top boxes.
Okay.
And because of the true handles, the top boxes wouldn't have worked. So the spacings and stuff like that would have looked all higgly-piggly.
Okay.
But yeah, I can get the doors that height.
Okay. I'm just going to have to write them down. That he's like, I'm not doing a time sheet. So that they just write down what you've done for the day. Nobody's going to question it. I just need to track it. I don't know if we're making money or not. Anyway, lads, I don't know about you, but see when I wake up earlier, I was up 5, whatever it was this morning, woke up. Still lay in bed for an hour, but you feel a hell of a lot better getting up earlier. I feel far more productive. But you know what I mean. Fuck. That's the wall. It is going to be Forma too, but that hasn't yet happened, and we haven't got a sign for it yet. But aye, that's where we're at, lads. Now he's going to stay on, run a couple more sheets, or probably I'll be on his last sheet. I'm out of here. Time to go, boys. Let's get funky.
So Tuesday, what a day. We're still waiting on this big one to come in. Yeah, I don't want to get my hopes up, but it's looking okay. It's looking good. Fingers crossed. I'm praying to God we get it, because it'll shift us in a direction that we're really looking to go. I just want to say something else, lads. See, since we moved into that bigger premises, work is just flowing massively. Like, two great lads in that workshop, so we do. Dan in particular. Like, there's him, he's staying on for a couple of hours because he's like, oh, I'm going to be away on Thursday. You know, nobody else would do that, but he's just like, I just want to keep in front of myself. And he obviously wants to make up the money too, but I think even still, you wouldn't get it. But I definitely, lads, I'm telling you this now, and listen to me loud and clear. We need to increase the office staff, especially if this big job comes through. There's no two ways about it. You get an estimator or QS, whatever you want to call it, and pricing work, obviously cost controlling jobs out. Let me from behind the desk, where I'm not at it 5 days a week. Get me out onto that floor, ensuring that orders and deliveries and all are coming in a timely manner. Stuff's getting shoveled out the door in a timely manner, plus maintaining great quality always. You know? Because believe it or not, lads, that's what I've done all my life. Like, see this whole office crack of me and price and work and all. It's going well, yes. It's not my expertise, so it's not. But I'm not that stupid to pick it up. But again, there's boys that can do it more efficiently than me, and that's the thing. You know, so my aim is to get back out on that floor. A lot of people's aim would be the opposite, but realistically, that's go out on that floor, help the men out, materials coming in and out, overseeing jobs as a whole, like pick it up as a contracts managing role, and basically work from that. Because I can't see why not. And then hopefully as bigger jobs come in, and more frequently, contracts managers roles will be available, and I can then focus on just being a production manager. You know? I know a lot of people be like, you know, I am helping these boys build this up, and a lot of people probably be like, would you not want to be sitting back and just organising men? Yes and no. Yes, of course, part and parcel with the role, but I also need to be willing to get my hands dirty, and I'm totally willing to get my hands dirty whenever necessary, and I want to keep it that way. There's nothing wrong with a bit of hard work every now and again, boys. Absolutely nothing. I grew up on it, so I've done most of my working career, and I plan to do, you know. So, but anyway, lads, that is me. I shall see you tomorrow. Have a good one, all the best.